Here's my pet monitoring camera. I bought this camera off of Amazon. It's a Wyze, W-Y-Z-E camera. And it comes with like a little metal plate you can stick somewhere, and then the base has got a magnet, so it'll stick on that magnet. And it had white wire, it's a white camera, and I have white interior, so it works out pretty good. And I just brought it down. I got some little clips here to hold it, and I plugged it into my little outlet I have right here, my USB outlet. And it's aimed toward the back of the RV right now. So here's this camera view. And on the application, there's a little phone app for it. You can see right here. That's what it looks like on the app. And then if you click this, you can actually get a live video. So there I am standing in the camera right now. And I can turn it that way. So there's the view that it gives. And you can see that it's fairly right on time. If I turn, there's not much lag to it. So that's the little Wyze camera. It comes with a free 12-second video uploads. So every 5 minutes it'll reset, and you can go back and watch a video that it'll record for 12 seconds. There's no monthly fee for that, which is pretty neat. So basically, every 5 minutes you can get a little, like here we go, here's one right here. And this is a video of me, what I was just doing a few seconds ago. As I was turning around, I just placed it down. So it's a pretty neat little camera, and it was like $20. I think they're about $25 now. But it does a pretty good job. Like I said, there it is right there. You can just take this off and you can mount it anywhere you want, just as long as you have access to a USB plug, and it connects to the internet through a router. So I have a little, I have a jetpack in my camper here, and it just connects to this jetpack. So wherever we are, I can, as long as I have Verizon service, my jetpack will pick up the Verizon signal, and I can connect to the camera that way, and then I can view from my phone what my dog's doing in the camera. So I hope this helps you. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.